Hi, this is the second part of problem 11, and at this point, we now have the object distance at 20 centimeters, so it's right at the focal length. So if you were to draw it, the situation would look like this. You have your object up here, you have one ray coming out here, bouncing through the focus, another ray coming down here through the focus and bounces out here. You can't draw the third ray because no line is going through the center of curvature, so you'll have to settle with these two lines here. And they intersect at the point exactly below the image. So the image distance here is the same as the object distance. And you can actually prove that mathematically. If you want, 1 over p plus 1 over q equals 1 over f. P is 20 centimeters or 0.2, so 1 divided by 0.2 plus 1 divided by q equals 1 divided by 0.1, the focal length of the mirror. Solve for 1 over q, and when you do that, you get 1 divided by 0.2, therefore q equals 0.2, which is the center of curvature and the object distance. Magnification is minus q over p, and that's minus 0.2 divided by 0.2, so it's just minus 1 in this case. So it's negative and it's inverted, but it is still real because it's on the same side of the mirror as the object. Finally, we're going to do, and ignore everything I did over here because that's just a mess. If the image is at 0.1, so if the object is at 0.1 meters, which is the position of the focus. If the object is at the focus, you cannot actually draw the diagram. And you can see I tried over here and it didn't wind up working out. And why didn't it work out? Because it's not solvable. I'll prove to you it's not solvable. We'll use the same image equation we've been using all together, or so far. And that's, 1 over p plus 1 over q equals 1 over focus. 1 over 0.1 plus 1 over q equals 1 over 0.1. Therefore, 1 over q equals 1 over 0.1 minus 1 over 0.1. Therefore, 1 over q equals 0. And if you try and do the algebra here, you get an infinity, q equal to infinity. So the image appears at infinity, which is effectively saying you do not have an image.